finally got an ND filter up.
Was that you?
That was me.
Was
That was me. Well, somebody leaves a whole
Why haven't
freaking
we watched
lemonade,
it?
and I'm about to step in poop.
God.
City life. Nobody's touching anything anymore because of Corona, so nobody wants to touch these germs. Going for a ride. It's too beautiful not to. But because it's so nice out, it's high 70s, it's really tough to decide whether or not you want to wear armor, or do you just want to wear holey jeans. So they're also capris. We'll discuss that. Armor versus no armor. What's up, cool cats and kittens? Just had a ride around town. GoPro died. I just need a bigger, actually it didn't die. The card ran out of space. So there are the bikes back there. There they are, in the shade. So it's almost 80 degrees out. It's that temperature in the Midwest where you can decide whether or not you want to put on nothing but a t-shirt and jeans and flip-flops on a motorcycle, or you can put on your gear. And that's kind of the question I have, is whether or not you should gear up in the summertime. And is there gear out there that'll allow you to gear up without sweating profusely? This is an Aramid, means breathable, XTM, which is a fabric with infused Kevlar in the lining. So it's breathable and it's supposed to be protective should you go down. So it's abrasion resistant and breathable, which is supposed to suit both warmer and colder climates. If you look at me, wearing capri cut-off jeans with holes in the knees and a short-sleeve t-shirt, Mac Miller, RIP. But up top, I have the XTM Kevlar abrasive resistant material that breathes. This is by John Doe. Instagram handle is Ride John Doe. I've worn this probably 20 plus rides, both in the cold and warm climates. So far today, 80 degrees out. Very breathable. I'm not sweating on the inside here. It does breathe. It has ventilation pockets. If you look at this up close. So that is that XTM fabric by John Doe. A quick review on this thing. It's long all the way around. So when you bend over, it doesn't show your butt crack. It's actually slim fit, so it's very tailored to the modern times, unlike a lot of clothes that are out there. It's got a zip, which I like, and buttons, which I like, so you have the option to choose there. It's got pockets both in the chest and on the inside should you need it, which I like. And key feature is it has the XTM DuPont Kevlar infused abrasive resistant material. A lot of reviews are out there already. A Point to You one by Urban Rider in the UK did a great review of the product. Great product, highly recommend. What do you do? Do you ride with nothing but jeans and a t-shirt? Or do you ride with something like Nox armor or something by Revit or something by John Doe? I'm normally wearing some sort of abrasion resistant Kevlar lined jeans. Today I chose not to, just to feel the breeze and stuff between my legs. But this kind of goes back to another video where I asked you, what do you think of a motorcycle boot? I'll link that here. That's normally just leather, but it could have some abrasion resistance in it as well. Did I talk about everything? So I think that's it. We are gonna get back to riding these bad boys. My GoPro died, so you're not gonna see any more GoPro footage. See you on the next one. Peace.